Are you brushing your teeth?
Uh,
You've gotten very good at brushing your teeth. Not so good when Mommy does it, but it works when you do it. Can you brush your tongue? Very good. You're gonna gag yourself one of these days. That won't be good. No.
No.
No. Hi. Look at all those teeth. 16 teeth, I think. Yeah, 16. It's a lot. Yes. That's a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.